Ever wonder what the future holds for video creation? Could artificial intelligence change everything we know about making videos? Welcome to a glimpse into the future with SORA AI, a groundbreaking technology that's still in its infancy. This AI-powered system promises to revolutionize the way we create videos, turning complex tasks into simple text prompts. But hold your horses, it's not widely available yet. So for now, let's delve into the world of SORA AI and explore its potential. Buckle up and get ready to unlock the potential of AI-powered video generation. Imagine creating stunning, realistic videos from just a text description. That's the magic of SORA AI. Now let's delve deeper into this technological marvel. Developed by OpenAI, SORA AI is a breathtaking leap into the future of video content creation. It's a sophisticated AI model that can generate entire videos or extend existing ones, all from the power of your written words. This is made possible through a process known as diffusion. Think of it as starting with a static-filled screen, a blurry image, if you will. As you provide your text instructions, SORA AI gets to work, sharpening this image pixel by pixel, until it blossoms into a clear, detailed video. It's like watching an artist bring a blank canvas to life, except here, the artist is an AI, and the canvas is the screen in front of you. In SORA's case, the blurry image is filled with static, which is then transformed into a video based on your text instructions. While full details are under wraps, here's what we know about how SORA AI works. The process begins with you, the user, providing a text prompt. This is essentially a detailed description of the video you want to create. It should include the setting, characters, actions, and overall atmosphere. The more specific you are, the better the results will be. Once you've provided this prompt, SORA takes over. The AI processes your text and uses its knowledge of the world, along with its understanding of video creation, to generate the video. It does this frame by frame, pixel by pixel, like an artist painstakingly crafting a masterpiece. But SORA's work doesn't necessarily stop when the video is generated. Depending on the final implementation of the system, you might be given the option to refine the generated video. This could involve making adjustments to specific elements, or perhaps requesting further iterations based on your feedback. This refinement process is like the final touches on a painting, the last few strokes that bring everything together to create a coherent, visually striking piece. It's the step that ensures your vision is realized in the most accurate and vivid way possible. So there you have it, a sneak peek into the workings of SORA AI. Remember, this is based on what we know so far, and the actual process might differ when the system is fully released. You might have the option to refine the generated video, making adjustments to specific elements or requesting further iterations based on your feedback. Here's where things get exciting. While we can't use SORA just yet, there's a lot to look forward to. Let's talk about the potential applications of SORA AI. Firstly, imagine video creation becoming as easy as typing up a text prompt. You could be crafting explainer videos, marketing materials, or even short films with just a few lines of text. SORA could revolutionize the way videos are made, making the process easier and faster. Secondly, SORA has a lot to offer to the creative minds out there. Artists and filmmakers could use SORA to explore new creative avenues. They could generate concept art or create storyboards for their projects, all with the help of AI. It's like having an assistant who can bring your wildest imaginations to life. Lastly, but certainly not least, SORA has the potential to democratize video creation. With a user-friendly interface, it could make video creation accessible to everyone, not just professionals. You could be a student, a small business owner, or just someone with a story to tell. And SORA could help you create a video that captures your vision. SORA AI holds immense potential for the future of video creation. While we wait for wider access, keep an eye out for updates and stay curious. Remember, the future is full of surprises, and SORA AI is one of them. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the world of SORA AI. We've scratched the surface of this future tech, exploring its potential to revolutionize video creation. From easier video crafting to enhanced creativity, the possibilities are truly exciting. So, stay tuned, keep your curiosity piqued, and imagine the videos you could create. Subscribe and join us in pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Share your thoughts on SORA AI in the comments. Until next time, stay creative and keep pushing the boundaries.